Hey guys, this is Puppywinkle's first, and guess whose birthday it is? Yep, it's mine. It's my birthday, and it's June 10th. So, okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, also I saw that 16 people are subscribed to me at the current moment. And I'd really like to thank them. But that's not what this video is about. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to me. So we're gonna do fun stuff. I'm not gonna tell you what fun stuff, but fun stuff, I'm sure. So, bye-bye. This has been Puppywinkle's the first. Bye-bye.